Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to fix Verify Update iPhone on the iOS 17. So if your phone is stuck on a verification process when it's updating to iOS 17, then there's a few things you want to do. First, you want to make sure your phone is fully charged, or as close to 100% as possible. Then you want to maybe check your Wi-Fi connection, and you want this to be as strong as possible. Maybe go into airplane mode or turn it off and back on again in the settings. This sometimes boosts the Wi-Fi signal. So that's the first thing you want to try. Now, a bit of a strange one, but this is causing a lot of people issues. So you want to come to screen time. Then you want to come down on screen time to content and privacy restrictions, and you want to make sure this is currently tabbed off. Then you want to come back, go into general. You want to check the software update and see if you can then update to the latest iOS 17. If that still doesn't work, you want to come back to the general and check your iPhone storage. And if your storage is full or close to full, you will have a problem installing iOS 17. So you want to go through some of these apps here at the bottom and delete and release some of the storage data. So that is how to get iOS 17 when it's stuck at verifying the update. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.